Hello my dear students, in this video we are going to continue with evaluation of Boolean expressions using truth table. Logical variables can be combined with the logical operators such as not, or, and, which we have already studied in the previous video. We can combine these variables with the different operators. Let us see example. X, Y, Z are the three variables, and here all these three variables are combined with the different logical operators. Here it is combined with or, not, or, and here y dot z or simply yz represent it is and operator. Let us evaluate and simplify this particular expression using truth table. So how many variables we have here? We have got three variables. How many number of rows we are going to get? We are going to get 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8 rows we are going to get. Why? Because we know that two binary numbers are there, that is 0 and 1, and three variables are there, right? So 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So here we are going to total get 8 rows in a table. So let us write first three columns x, y, z. Then you can write y dot z, that is y and z, and make a complement of this one. Take one more column yz complementation, and we want z complementation, right? Z complementation. Then combine all these three terms in the same expression using or operator. How do you write? You can write this one as x or y and z complementation or z complementation. That is the final result that we are going to get. Yes. So let us write the values of x, y, z here. So value of x is 0, y is 0, z is 0. Because we need to write all these numbers in the increment order, that is from 0 to 7, because we are going to get 8 rows in a table. Yes. We will write here 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1. Next is 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1. Next 1, 1, 0. This 1, 1, 1. Here you can see 0, 0, 0 represent 0. 0, 0, 1 when we convert from binary to decimal number, it gives me 1. 0, 1, 0 gives me 2. So 0, 1, 1 is 3. This is 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we need to write them in a ascending order. Correct? So let us continue with ANDing between y and z. So here we are going to consider these two columns and we are going to perform AND. So what is the condition for AND? Both the values of the variables are true, then only the result is true, otherwise it is false. So false, false is false. False, true is false. False, true, true is true. False, false, false. True, true is true, otherwise it is false. Correct? So next, yz whole complement. Yz column we got, whole complement means what? It is 0, then 1. If it is 1, then it is 0. So if it is 0, then we can write here 1. If it is 0, we can write 1. If it is 0, 1. 1 will become 0. 0 will become 1. 0 will become 1. 0 will become 1. 1 will become 0, because it is negation, complementation. Yes. Next, z bar. So z bar similarly 0 will become 1. This 1 will become 0. This 0 will become 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Yes. Next, we are going to OR all these. So we are going to consider column X. Next, Y, Z bar and Z bar. So these two columns and the first column, we need to OR between these three columns. So first you can see OR means false, false, false is false. Otherwise it is true. So false, true, true is true. It is true. This is also true. So here you can see false, false, false is false. It is true. It is also true. Here it is also true. Here it is true. Just verify this. Now let us study example number 1. In the Boolean algebra, verify using truth table that x or x and y is equal to x for each x and y in 0 and 1. So let us write. Here you can see we have got two variables in the given expression, that is x and y. Let us write x and y. These are the two columns. So how many rows we are going to get in a truth table? We have got two variables and two binary numbers, that is 2 2s are 4, because we have got two binary number and two variables, that is 2 2s are 4. So 4 rows we are going to get in a truth table. So let us draw the truth table by writing x and y. Next we are going to write x and y, this particular term, and we are going to combine both of these two terms with or, that is x or x y. Here what we need to check, we need to check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. Yes, let us write the values of x and y. For the first time it is 0 0, next is 0 1 1 0 1 1. So 0 0, when we convert from binary number to decimal, so it will become 0 0 1 represent 1 1 2 1 0 represent 2 1 1 represent 3. Yes. Next, x and y. ANDing means what? True, true is true, all are false. So true, true is true, all are set to false. Yes. Next, we are going to OR this particular column, that is xy or x. So OR with the x column. So here ORing is nothing but what? False, false is false. False, false is false. True, false is false. True, true is, I think we made a mistake, right? Yes. So here it is true, correct? Yes. True, true is true. Yes. False, false is false, and any other combinations of variables of values is set to true. And now we need to check whether x or x and y is equal to x or not. So this column with x. So both of these two column values are same or not. Just check it out. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. So hence we can say LHS is equal to RHS. Yes. Now let us study example number 2. In the Boolean algebra, verify using truth table that x or y whole complement is equal to x complement and y complement in 0 and 1. Yes. Let us draw the truth table. Here in the given Boolean algebraic expression, we have got only two variables, so that is x and y. So how many rows we are going to get? We are going to get 4 rows. So let us write now x or y. Left hand side we are going to take, and then we are going to complement it, x or y whole complement, and then we are going to write x complement next column, next is y complement. So now combine both of these two columns using AND, that is x bar. Here we will write this one as x bar dot y bar. Now let us write the values of x and y. Here it is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So value of this is 0 1 2 and 3, because 1 1 is 3. Yes. Next, x or y. False, false is false. Otherwise it is all the set of combinations of values are true. Yes. Next, complement of x or y is 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0. Yes. Okay. Next, x complementation. What is the value of x? 0 0 1 1. So 0 will become 1. This 0 will become 1. Next 1 will become 0. This 1 will become 0. Next we'll move on to y. What is the value of y? 0 1 0 1. 0 will become 1. 1 will become 0. This 0 will become 1. This 0 will become 1 will become 0. Yes. Next we are going to perform ANDing between these two columns. So AND means true true is true, false false and false. Next is what? We need to check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. So LHS consisting of what? This particular column. This particular column and the last column. Both of these two are consisting of the same binary number or not. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. So hence we can say LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the proof. Now we are going to study example number 3. Prepare a table of combinations for the following Boolean algebraic expressions. A, B, C. We have been given with the three Boolean algebraic expression for which we are going to write the truth table. Let us continue with the first one. So you can see here it has got only two variables. Hence we are going to get 4 rows in a truth table. So let us continue with A, that is x, y, and we need to find the complement of both the variables. You can see here x bar, y bar is present. So take both and then we are going to perform one column that consisting of x bar dot y bar. Yes, so that is the next column, and then we are going to write x bar y, and after that we are going to combine both of these two with the OR operator. So that is x bar y bar or x bar y. Next, let us write the values of x and y. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Correct? Next is what? Complementation of x bar. 0 will become 1, this 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0, 1 will become 0. This y bar is 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0, 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0. Next, x bar and y bar. X bar and y bar. ANDing means true, true is true, false, false, and false. Yes. Next, x bar y. X bar ANDing y means what? X bar ANDing y. X bar ANDing y means if both of these two are true, then only the result is true. So it is false. True, true is true. False, it is false. Yes. Next, we'll write the OR operation between these two columns. False, false is false, otherwise it is true. So here it is true. This is also true. False, false is false. False, false is false. Right? I think it is clear. You just verify. Now we'll move on to the next one, that is B. So let me rub this particular table. Yes. So let us move on to B. B consisting of how many variables? It has got 3 variables. So how many rows we are going to get? 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8 rows we are going to get. Yes. Let us continue with the first one, x, y, z. Then you can see in the given Boolean expression, x bar is there, y bar is there, and even z bar is there. So we have to take the complement of all the 3 columns. So let us take x bar, y bar, and z bar. And after that, we are going to combine these. So that is x, y, z bar. So that is x and y and z complementation. That is one column. The next column is x bar, y bar, z. And the next column is we are going to combine both of these two terms by using OR. Yes. So here we will write x, y, z bar or x bar, y bar, z. Yes. Okay. Let us write the values of the variables 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and 1. You can see here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we convert binary to decimal, then we are going to get 6, and this is 7. Yes. Next, x complementation means what? 4 zeros. Zeros will become 1, ones will become zeros. So all the 4 zeros will become 1. Yes, all the 1 will become zeros. Yes. Next, y bar is 2 zeros are present, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros. Correct. Next, z bar is 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Next is what? We need to take xy column and z bar. So we need to consider these 3 columns, right? So here ANDing is present between these 3 variables. So ANDing means what? If all the values of the variables is true, then only the result is true. Otherwise it is false. So here you can see xy and z bar. So here both of these two are false and it is true. So what will be the result? Result is false. Yes. Next, it is false. Here it is also false. Here also it is false. Here also it is false. Here also it is false. Here it is true, because you can see here x, y and z bar is true. true, and it is false. Now here it is false. Yes. Next, x bar, y bar, and z. X bar, y bar, z. So these three columns you need to consider, and you need to AND them. If all the variables values are true, then only result is true. Otherwise, it is false. Here you can see z is 0, 1, 1. Here it is 0. So here you can see all the three variables are set to true. Hence, the result is true. It is false, 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 and false. Yes. Okay. Next, we'll move on to the last final result, and we need to combine both of these two columns using OR operator. Yes. So ORing means what? False, false is false. False, false is false. True, false, 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 true, again false. Just check and verify the answer. Yes. So let us move on to the next one, that is C. Here we have got three variables. Let me keep all these up to here as it is, and let me change only this particular part, because rest everything is same. Yes. Let me continue with the next expression, that is C. Here you can see x bar, y, z bar, and we need to find one more term, that is x, y bar, and after that we are going to combine both of these two terms with OR operator. Yes. X bar, y, z bar, or x, y bar is the next column. Yes. Next, here you can see x bar, y, and z bar. Okay. You need to consider these three columns, and you need to perform ANDing. If all the three variables are set to true, then only it is true. Otherwise, it is false. Next, here you can see it is false. It is true, because you can see here x bar, z bar, and y. All these three are true. Next, it is false. This is false. This is also false. And here it is also false. Here also it is false. Next, we'll move on to x, y bar. X, y bar means x and y bar. ANDing between these two columns. True, true is true. Otherwise, it is false. Here, for the first time, it is false. Yes, false. Again, false, false. True, true. True and true. And next, you can say it is both false and false. Yes. Next, between these two columns, we need to perform OR. Yes. So false, false is false, false, true, false, true, true, false, and false. Yes. Verify this answer. Now we are going to study example number 4. Prepare a truth table for the following Boolean algebraic expression: A, this expression, B, and C. So there are three examples are given. Let us continue with the first one, A. Here in this expression, you can see we have got three variables. So let us write x, y, z. And here in this expression, you can see we do not have x complementation. We have only complementation of y and z. So we'll write x, y bar and z bar. Now we are going to consider the first expression. So that is y bar or z bar. The next column is what? We need to multiply this column with the x. So that is x, y bar or z bar. Next we'll write x, y bar. Next column is x, y bar. And then we are going to combine both of these two with the OR. So that is x into y bar or z bar, or x, that is, here we will write this one as x, y bar. Yes. Okay. So we will continue with the values 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Yes, total 8 rows, right? So next y complementation is 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0. Yes. Next z bar is 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0. Yes. Next y bar or z bar. Here y bar or z bar. Or means what? False, false is false, otherwise it is true. True, 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 false, because both of these two values are false. Now it is true, 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 false, false is false. Yes. Next we are going to combine this particular column with x by ANDing. Yes, ANDing means both of these two must be true, then only the result is true, otherwise it is false. So 0 into 1 is what? It is false, correct? Yes, here we are going to write 0, so it is 0. This is also 0, this is also 0. Here you can see true, true is true, true, true is true, and true, true is true, true, false is false. Next we are going to write x, y bar. Here x is there and y bar, both of these two columns are to be considered, and you have to perform ANDing between these two columns. So true, true is true, otherwise it is false. Here you can see it is false, false. Here also it is false. True, true is true, and here you can see true, true is true, otherwise it is false, and here also it is false. Next we are going to perform OR between these two columns now. ORing means false, false is false, 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 and false. It is true, 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 and true. We just verify the answer. Okay, so let us continue with B. Let me keep some of the columns as it is, because we are going to use the same columns here as well. Okay, so let me keep this one as it is. Here in the second expression as well, you can see we have got the same what you call the values almost, right? So 3 variables we have, and it is already written. Y bar, z bar is there, x bar is not there, so keep it as it is. Next we will move on to x, y bar. Even you can perform this one separately. Yes, so let us write this one as x, y bar, x, y bar. Then we'll go for y, z bar, and combine both of these two, that is z bar plus, okay, we'll do one thing. Here we will write this one as x, y bar is there, and z bar. Okay, otherwise we'll write something like this. Z bar plus y, z bar. So combine this term with the x, y bar. Here we will write x, y bar. Here we will combine this one as x, y bar into z bar plus y, z bar. Next we need to OR this with the z bar. Okay, so same term here I'll write it as a result, because I don't have space to write there. Yes, let us write x, y bar. Here you can consider x and y bar, ANDing between these two. True, true is true, otherwise it is false, 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 true, true, false, and false. You can see. Yes. Next, y, z bar. Y, z bar. We need to consider both of these two, right? Yes. So here y, z bar, ANDing. True, true is true, otherwise it is false, false, true, false, 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 true, and false. Yes. Okay, next we'll move on to z bar plus yz bar. Yz bar is present here, z bar. So this has to be odd. False, false is false, otherwise it is true. Yes, true, false, true, correct, false. It is here, it is true, true, and here also it is true, and now it is false. Yes. Okay, next we will combine this particular column with x, y bar, that is x, y bar, using AND operator here. Yes, so true, true is true, otherwise it is false, correct, false, 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 true, true, false, and false. So what will be the result now? Result is we got this term, this particular column, and we have to OR with the z bar. or with Z bar. So this column and ORing with a Z bar. False, false is false, otherwise it is true, right? So it is true. Yes, false, true, false, true, 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 and false. You just check out the result. Yes. So next is C, which is given you as a homework. You just try it by yourself. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see you in the next video.